ladies. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. This is the acne fighting must-haves Replenix box, so I'm gonna first take pictures of it. It looks like that. Okay. Why is my nose red? And my face is kind of red also. I don't know if that's normal or because I'm very fair. Because yeah, I'm washing my face, so I assume I get red, but not really here. It looks like a sunburn, or like when I wear glasses for a long period of time I get red here, but I don't know. This is weird. I don't know if it's a good sign or a bad sign. My skin is so sensitive. Why? I'm still gonna try the moisturizer right now. It's this one. We'll see. So the packaging here is different for me. It comes like this in this little ball, and you squish it. Ooh, it looks really liquidy and weird. I don't like the packaging. It sounds weird. Wow, that's interesting. It looks like noodles. It's new for me. Oh, and this one didn't have a scent, but it felt like creamy, like watery texture. It was interesting, new to me, and this is very soft, and it doesn't really have a scent at all either. The other pads, yeah, like alcohol, but it's normal. So I saw on TikTok a lady that said that she washes her face and uses cream like in the upward motion so you don't get wrinkle age fast. So she's gonna go like that, and here on the side, the nose side, head aside. So like up and drag, or up like that. She said never like this, and that's how I usually apply my creams, like, or like that. So I'm trying to use her tip because her skin look good. So yeah, and look, as you can see, my face is red. I don't think that's normal. It looks like I got sunburned. Look, I don't know. This is weird, and this is for acne. This is acne night. I don't like using acne nights, but hey, I wanted to give it a try. I do get the acne, but not severe cystic acne. Just feel here like that, but they usually go away if I leave them alone. But it's good to try new things, I guess. It was gifted, and I tried their brand before. I liked them, like their lotion. This is not for acne, it's just for anti-aging, tightening, all that. That works. Well, it doesn't work, I don't know, but it feels nice. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope y'all liked it. Bye.